do 4 evolutions. It's gonna be from the holster 1 shot, from the holster 2 shots, from the holster 2 shots, reload 2 shots. It's gonna be facing away 2 shots.
I'm Lane, and I'm first up.
My name is Specialist Cream Dick. I'm part of SEAL Team Cream. I'll be showing you some high-speed maneuvers today. Got my assistant over here. We got Dick Cheese.
All right, let's see where you hit. So we got 1 10 points down here. We got 2 8s, 3 6, and 1 2.
Beep. Beep.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
Beep.
Equal bullseye, bro. Jesus Christ.
Got some fucking that.
That's 0.
Got motherfucking that. Got motherfucking that. Bro, I want a new teammate, bro.
No, I mean, I still hit most of the inside. All right, team 2.
These guys fucking suck.
Absolutely garbage. I'm not allowed within 500 yards of the school.
Whoa. See what we got going on here. Wow. Trash.
That one was there before.
Yeah. You're up. You're trash, kid. Oof. Well, actually, yours is not that bad. Oh, yeah, you got a nice little 10 in there. Yeah, he fucked you over with that one for sure. All right, let's do the scores. How y'all feel about that drill? All right, this adds up. 128. Let's go, teammate. Team 2 has 70. You guys fucking suck.